My name is Peter Hudson. I'm a professor at Penn State and I investigate diseases in wildlife, diseases in humans, and how they're transmitted between the two of them. I have been really fortunate in that I've been heavily involved with the researchers at San Miguel since 1985. And I'm particularly interested in the way that One Health is being explored in this part of Italy. One Health is an interdisciplinary approach where you bring together mathematicians with research biologists, together with statisticians, together with social scientists, and try and look specifically really hard and deep at problems. And the problem we're looking at here are vector-borne transmission. We're looking at diseases that come from mosquitoes and from ticks and infect people and cause problems. So why are they increasing? Why are they getting worse locally? So to answer those questions, we have this research network. Very kindly, they hosted us here. And so we've got a 3-5-day workshop that is looking at the very serious components of research and how we can solve these problems. That's what we're all interested in. How do we stop transmission? How do we stop people becoming infected? And they're doing a lot of that work here at San Miguel. And then we have a lot of these international experts come in to try and help us. One of the other things that we have to do is we have to make sure we do really sound training. So we make sure that we train the students, the next generation of people who are going to be your public health experts, they're going to be your researchers, your local professors. And so we're doing training programs here to help graduate students and people understand the very modern techniques and at the same time interact with colleagues from different parts of the world.
So one thing that all of these groups have in common is that they're looking at vectors, the insects that transmit disease, as animals that have complex behaviors. And they try to take that understanding and improve our ability to understand either disease transmission or control.
The Vectorbite RCN is a pretty unusual approach and pretty unusual network, because we're bringing together people from these different communities with different skill sets, so that someone like me who does statistics can help a vector biologist build a model that will allow them to explain what's going on. We're also trying to build publicly available databases about all of the vectors that we're studying, all these insects that can transmit diseases, so that it's not just those of us that are actively participating who can benefit, but the wider scientific community and the general public can see and understand more about what's happening with these tick communities.